Hello everybody, welcome to the show. This is AndreJMcClendon coming at you with the weekly news wrap-up where I go over the markets for the upcoming week so it can help prepare you guys to go over some key notes and news. So let's jump right into it. Alright, first thing is, what is happening to gold? Now here's gold in the daily trading right now. It's been on a huge bull market, but if you look at the last 2 days, it's definitely going to be coming in. It might actually create another bump up and create a head and shoulders to head down to a lower price. But I'd say I trade gold not long term when it comes to the forex markets, but I do buy in the different forms, holding it long term. But for this, it might bounce back up and head down to a lower price down to here. But if not, either way, this might be a good buying position. That's what I'm going to be looking at. This 15 flat level, and to head a little to higher prices. Now let's check out that monster silver. Now silver again is having 2 down days. It's pretty normal for a bull run like this to give back. So this may also head down a lot lower. Same thing like this gold, maybe down to the 17s, lower 17s. But we shall see how next week plays out. Remember, the trend is your friend, and right now the trend is up. So this may be a correction within the major trend. Now, oil is one of my favorite things to trade. I think I go over oil every weekly news wrap up. But right now, you see that oil has been building some support layers. All right, so some support to see it might go to higher highs. If so, check out the equities markets. It might help you guys out for those nice fat dividends payouts, or for the nice boom in their equity prices. All right, so I got next week. So next week there's some red coming up. So you got some German stuff. You got some China. China does have a day off, so look out for that. They have a bank holiday on September release date, September 30th. On September, where is it at? September 12th. So watch out for that. For the Asian markets, might be a little bit slower than normal. So if you trade those Asian pairs, please watch out for that. We got CPI for the dollar, so that's about the biggest news. We got some core retail sales, so check those out for the dollar, and maybe some big movements if the numbers are off. Right now, they're speculating about even. So actually, let me see what's the forecast, previous and forecast. So definitely check those out to see if the market's moved from them. No FOMC, no Fed news, nothing big like that. Now, this is something crazy. The House passes a $15 minimum wage. Now, that's horrible. I mean, I'm not for the minimum wage at all. I made a video I will get into in a second, but look at this, that it's going to take effect in 1525 if it goes through the Senate. Let's see if it does. Hopefully it doesn't. I'm not a fan of the minimum wage at all, but we shall see where this goes. So here's my video about the minimum wage. Please check it out. Drop a comment. We'll start the conversation. All right. So on to news. So some of the news that's been really, really trendy. Oh, and I'm on Zero Hedge to get a lot of my news. David Stockman on an unprecedented collapse of the global financial system. So he goes into key things, a lot about debt, a lot about what China's doing, a lot about these the feds of each country is doing by massively printing basic QE. So check it out. So I did make a video about the recessions coming up soon. Please check it out. I go into detail about the job rates, how do you prepare for it. So anything to help you guys out on that. And here's some European gas prices, 10-year low. So I'm a big fan of the commodities market. I always go over gold, silver, and oil. If oil is on a low, man, I start buying even more. But here's this article about them from Zero Hedge, so check that out. And lastly, here's my home website, AndreJMcClendon.com. If you want to learn how to trade or get into more investments and build your financial intelligence, check out my website. We have some blogs. We have, you watch my other YouTube videos in different series, and also we have precious metals. So please check that out. And thank you guys for making it to the end of the video. Please have a wonderful day. Thank you.